Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. Today, we will take a closer look at the design of Roman shields. Roman shields were mostly used by legionaries in the Roman army. The word legionary is the name given to Roman soldiers. To be a legionary, you had to be male and a Roman citizen. You had to commit to the army for 25 years, and you had to be unmarried. Legionaries were not only expected to fight, but also to build forts, bridges, and roads. A Roman shield was called a scutum and was a crucial part of a legionary's equipment during battle. Shields were shaped to cover a legionary's body and protect them against arrows and swords whilst fighting. A boss in the middle of the shield was made from iron or bronze. This provided a fixing for a handle inside the shield. However, was probably useful at deflecting blows from an enemy as well. Whether you are right-handed or left-handed, all legionaries held their shield in their left hand and their sword in their right. Testudo is the Roman word for tortoise and refers to a formation in which a group of legionaries would make a protective shell using their shields. Roman shields were painted with images important to the Roman legionaries at this time. Which shapes and colours do you notice on this Roman shield? You may have noticed the wing shapes. These represent the wings of an eagle, a symbol of the Roman army. You may also have noticed the zigzag arrows. These represent the lightning bolts of Jupiter, king of the Roman gods. You may also have noticed the red background. Red is a symbol of power. For your hands-on activity, design and create your own Roman shield. For more information about this activity and more activities related to the Romans, please go to handsoneducation.com, Romans in Britain. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye!